guys, what is up? It's your girl, Dr. Samara, and I am back with another video. In this video, I'm going to tell you if you are currently a beginner in the trading market, the tools that you need to be successful. Let's get into this video.
He want the scoop, she want the tea, she want the tea. I cannot speak, we keep it street, we keep it street. I took a loss, but you still gon' get beat, you still gon' get beat. How much it costs? It never been cheap.
All right, so the number one thing that you want to have as a beginner is a charting platform. What I mean by a charting platform is simply a platform that provides many different charts for all different types of pairs that you're interested into or that is within the market itself. So for example, as you guys may or may not know, I use the charting platform, which is known as TradingView. TradingView is definitely a go-to for me, especially if I am in a situation where I'm educating other traders, or simply if I am wanting to get a bigger platform as far as my chart, because typically I trade on my phone and I may just want to look at a much larger screen so that I can kind of see the chart in a more clear area for my perspective. So there are many different charting platforms out there that you can possibly use, but my go-to is TradingView. There's many different types of accounts that you can use for TradingView. I use the free.com. Okay, if it's free and I can use what I need to use, I'm going to go ahead with it. I don't use TradingView as often for me to go ahead and pay the $9 per month or whatever amount of money that it is to this day. So I just go with whatever the free package is because I don't really use TradingView as often. But if you are someone who feels that TradingView is something that you can ultimately use on a daily basis, because in some instances, some of your brokers may be connected to TradingView, which could be a very good plus for you as a trader. So the number one thing is making sure or identifying what type of charting platform you may want to use within your trading career. The second thing that you want to have is what type of trading platform are you wanting to look into? There's many different trading platforms out there. We have MT5, we have MT4, and then also some of these brokers have their own platform as far as trading within the market. For me, I use MT4. It's an older version of MT5. I haven't gotten into the rhythm of MT5 just yet. I'm more so comfortable with MT4, but when it comes to trading, you have to be willing to get uncomfortable because there's going to be situations where you may have to consider using a different trading platform. As long as you have the skill, guys, with trading, nothing can take your money away from you. If you understand how to trade within the market, you can trade from any trading platform. I myself just use MT4. So if you want to use MT4, go ahead. And if not, you can go and choose whichever trading platform that would be sufficient or best for you as a trader. Again, every trader has a different technique, a different strategy, and ultimately a different level of the tools that they need to be successful within trading. So these are just ideas of what you can possibly use as far as what I believe as a beginner should have. And don't mind baby Samaya in the background. She just wants to talk, okay? All right, and then the last thing, guys, you want to basically have is a broker. It's very important as a beginner trader is to understand what broker that you want to use. Typically, if you are a beginner trader, I advise you to understand the market first before you even try choosing a broker. And then when you look into choosing a broker, you want to kind of identify if it's regulated or unregulated. Everybody as a trader has their own preferences. Some people are willing to go with the unregulated route. Some people are willing to go with the regulated. So identify what type of broker that you want to use. And then when you do choose that broker, it is very important before you go into that market, especially if you're going to deposit your real money, is to use a demo account. See how the spreads are with that specific broker that you chose, as well as look at, how does the market move within that broker. You want to really get an idea of how that broker is, especially if you want to ask any questions. Frequently asked questions or anything like that, you want to get an understanding of the overall package deal when it comes to your broker. You want to make sure that the withdrawal process is pretty fast. You want to make sure that the support team is pretty fast as well. Basically, you have everything checked off on your checkoff list for your broker. And I believe those are the main three things that you as a beginner trader should have off the rip. And yeah, so if you like these type of videos as far as what you should have, what type of skill level, what type of things you should have as part of your trading career, or just your trading portfolio as a trader itself, just let me know, comment down below. But I hope that this video was very informative. And if you haven't already, go ahead and go like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel, because it is free. And last but not least, guys, if you haven't been a part of my Telegram trading community, I have recently discussed with my community that I will be providing a trading signal group. A lot of you guys have been asking me over the past year of creating a VIP signal group, and I just decided let's try it. Let's go ahead and do it. The launch of this trading signal group is going to be April 1st of this year, so I'm super excited. But if you have been a part of the journey of the trading community, you have seen the type of strategies and the type of ideas that I have been sending out to you all. And hopefully you guys have been eating off of my trades, because your girl has been eating off her trades, okay? But if you are just as excited as me, come join the community. But other than that, peace.